if this is you. You find out you're pregnant, yay! You tell your family, you celebrate, and then you ask the important question is, so, can I really drink wine and alcohol or not? I'm Dr. Darria, and I'm an ER doctor, I'm a mom, and I'm a mom-to-be again, and I found out I was pregnant 3 days before we were headed to a trip to the wine country. So you can bet I pulled out all my little textbooks and I looked for the latest studies, just praying I would find something that would give me license to drink my favorite wine while I was gone. And of course we all do it. We scour the internet, we talk to friends and in-laws, we hear stories of some French woman who drank wine for breakfast and had no problem whatsoever. But this is so very important that we talk about it. Not only because the public information that's available to us can be so confusing, but like with so many things in pregnancy, you don't want to harm your baby. So here's what we know. It is impossible to do a perfect study on this because it's just not very ethical to sneak wine to some pregnant women to see if it harms their babies. So for every study we have that shows that there may not be harm, we have an equal study that shows that there is harm from alcohol. So here's the science behind it. Number one is that alcohol freely crosses the placenta from mommy to baby. That leads to number two, which means that 2 hours after mommy started drinking, baby's blood alcohol level equals the peak blood alcohol level that mom reaches as well. And lastly, this is why this is so difficult to find what level may be safe or not, is that there is no one safe level that is the same for every mommy-baby pair. The level and the amount that could cause significant damage and even fetal alcohol syndrome in one baby may not cause the same degree of damage in another. And we don't fully know why, but it's due to a lot of factors such as how mom's liver metabolizes alcohol. It's due to the genetic variability between mom's genes, and it's due to baby's genes, and it's due to other factors such as timing and behavior. One thing that we do know that is scary is that studies have shown that even for children of moms who only drink moderate amounts of alcohol, 1 to 6 glasses of wine or alcohol a week, even if their IQs were the same, they had genetic differences in their genes that would impact and harm their IQ. So we know that there is a level that is dangerous, even at moderate amounts, and that that level is different and unpredictable for every mommy and baby pair. My truth, that means that for me, no alcohol during my pregnancy. But that gives me license to enjoy the Shirley Temples that I haven't had since I was 8 years old, and to plan a celebratory pump and dump celebration for a few months from now. I'll be a cheap date by then. So to all you pregnant mamas out there, salute.